back. And we got some Subways. Off rip, I'm going to tell you just off rip. The price alone is better than Jersey Mike's. Jersey Mike's, the same price I paid for this sandwich is the same price I would pay for a Jersey Mike's 6-inch sub. It's not mine, that's the wife's. But, and this is what I mean by variety. See that cucumber just up? No. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. For the price of a 6-inch sub from Jersey Mike's, look what I got. And I don't know about you, but I like my sandwiches to be, you know. So known price, quantity, quality. Look at that stuff falling out this here. You know what I'm saying? Let's just take a bite. Let's just gotta get into this. Sorry, y'all. It's that good. Excuse me, y'all. But anyway, is this better than Blimpies? No. Not at all. Is this better than Jersey Mike's? Absolutely. Like I said, for the price I paid for 2 sandwiches, I paid for one. 2 sandwiches, two sandwiches, half a 6-inch, 2 6-inches from Jersey Mike's will cost me as much as I paid for 2 foot-long from sorry, I'm so long. Foot-long from Subway. So Subway foot-long is cheaper than Jersey Mike's 6-inch. And when you get something from Jersey Mike's to say regular, and they regular is a 6-inch sub, as opposed to Subway's 12 foot long. Jersey Mike's is not messing with Subway, in my opinion. I'm going to give Jersey Mike's another chance because I saw a few videos that I was like, you know what? Let me try those concoctions and see. Jersey Mike's is good. It's not bad. But as far as the variety and, you know, whatever, everything you could put on your sandwich, Subway and Blimpie got it. So if I can't reach Subway, I go to Blimpie. Jersey Mike would definitely be my third choice. So once again, my opinion, you know what I'm saying? one subscriber did comment and said my choice of Jersey Mike's was pretty ass. But I try to see a Jersey Mike because a friend told me about Jersey Mike's. Like I said, a brother named Mike told me about Jersey Mike's. And I wanted to see if just their basic food was that good. Because if the basic food is that good, then imagine when you go to buy the exotics. But I said, let me try the basics. The basics was good, but the price, the chicken, California chicken, it was just sloppily made. And I got that in Manhattan. And this Subway's is right here in the good old Bronx, right on 204th Street. Well, I'm sorry, there's no comparison. Price-wise, quality, and these Jersey Mike stores out here, you can't even go inside. You gotta order online, pick your sandwich up from a window. It ain't even going inside and watching and picking. So right now, Jersey Mike's ain't it. Subway's got it. If you're next to Subway, go get you a Subway. They got new stuff on the menu. Everything. To me, it's good. And this place ain't just open. I've been here. So, if you're next to Subway, make sure you go and get you one. Go check on the menu. Go online, get the app, because it get you some free points and stuff, you know? But until next time, we're going to holler. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Tell a mother, tell a friend, tell everybody within to check me out. Peace.